Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today I am doing a very special PR video with the company One Day Savings. They do a lot of different arts and crafts type projects, and one thing that they definitely do is a lot of the diamond paintings, which here is an example of one of those right here. And they asked me if I would do an unboxing of one of their projects. And I saw these diamond paintings and I was like, oh man, I would love to do one of those, but I just don't think I have the patience or wherewithal to do one of those. So I picked out something a little more probably my speed. And this is what I picked out to do. All their crafts are very, very affordable. And I was unboxing their stuff here, and I wanted to show you everything. And these are bookmarkers. And these are what they look like right here. They have the little colors that correspond to the gems that you're gonna put on them. Like this one right here is very pretty, and then you have a different looking one here. So these would make great gifts. Like I said, they are bookmarks. I think they are all different looking. And then you have that one. And then you got that one. Yeah, I think they're all unique looking. And then they have this hole in the top that you put this little crystal through and then loop it around and it holds right onto it. So that's really cute. So it comes with a little tray that you put the gems in. And then it comes with some bigger gems that go like right up here and right down here, and these are numbered like 18 or 19, so it tells you to put number 18 up here and number 19 down there. It comes with, I already showed you that, it comes with the little tool that picks up the gems and puts them into place. I think this is something that you put the gems into, and then that helps them stick onto the, let me try something here, because there has to be some kind of adhesive. Let's because how else would they stick? Or is there like, okay, you take, I see, you take this off of it and then it's sticky on it. Okay, so let me put this gem on there. Number 19. Okay, so there, I put my first gem on it. I'm going to cover it back up for now. I think this tool helps you pick up the smaller gems and place them on. So we had, those are the bigger number 18 gems. These are smaller diamond sized gems, but the tiny gems, they come all wrapped up like in here, and they're all numbered. Woo-hoo! All numbered 1 through 17. And if you look, you might need a magnifying glass, but if you look, all these little holes are numbered. So you would take your little tool, pick up a gem, Probably use this to help it get sticky. I am not 100% sure it did. That's one thing. It did not come with instructions, but the instructions are online. And then put the gem down on here. So that is really cool. So something like this would be something I could probably accomplish instead of doing one of the bigger ones. But if you're interested in doing one of the big ones, they look amazing. They look very, very cool. And I will link, that also comes with little bags. Once you open the gems, you could put them in these little bags. Again, it comes with one little tray, but then you could go on like Temu or something like that and buy one of those containers that hold small things. And you could put the gems into something like that, or if you already have something of your own, do something like that. That is really cool. But anyway, they have really cool things such as that. I will put a link to their website down below. Like I said, they have very affordable stuff, and I'll put a link to this project right here down in the description box as well. And thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've tried anything from them before, or if you are interested. Let me know anything. Just let me know how your day is going. Anything you would like. Giving me a like or dislike or leaving a comment really helps with engagement. If you don't want to do any of that, that's okay. Just thank you so much for watching. That really helps out as well. If you are new here, hi, hello, welcome. I would really love it if you would consider subscribing. I do lots of makeup material on this channel usually. And so I hope y'all are all having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you're having an especially hard time, know that I'm thinking about you and I'm sending you all of those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay safe, and stay healthy out there. Okay, I will see you in another video soon. Just stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.